Hello again, and I bet you're thinking, what on earth am I sitting here with this stupid thing on my head? Well, I've been sent some free stuff again. This is the Onekuma, I think that's how you pronounce it, 2 gaming headset, and it's under $30, and here's my review. So first of all, if you're really into gaming, I'm slightly into gaming, so I do a bit, but I don't really game online with others, so I don't usually use this sort of headset. But what I do is, what I do is lots of editing, so lots of audio editing, so a headset like this is quite handy and I would use it quite often. So I thought I'd try it out, wear the headphones for a while and see if they're comfortable. Yes, they are. They've got quite a nice leather. They say it's real leather, protein leather, I don't know what that is, but it's comfortable and it seems fairly durable. So yes, you can wear these for a long period of time if you spend loads of time gaming. So what's the sound quality like with the mic? Well, you're listening to it, so you can judge for yourself. It's a fairly echoey room. I haven't got anything on the walls. I've got a carpet, but there is a bit of echo here. You can probably pick up my computer a bit. It says it's got noise isolating, so if I start flicking my fingers over here, it should isolate my voice supposedly. But it does say it's a 360 mic. I would have thought a unidirectional mic would be better than the 360 mic, but if it's got noise isolation, then, well, see for yourself. Is it any good? The sound quality is great. I've listened to lots of headphones and this is absolutely fine. I wouldn't say it's as good as the £200 worth headphones that I've listened to, but I'm quite pleased with the results here. There's no sort of tinniness, fluffiness, and it seems to have a good range, good volume, so excellent stuff. You can't seem to get it in the UK, but links are in the description. They're not affiliated links, so it doesn't bother me if you click on them or not. I'm giving an honest review as always. I also noticed that they come with a 12-month guarantee, which they'd send you out a replacement pair, which is pretty impressive. They've got a microphone connector and a headphone connector, and they've also got a USB, but they said that's for power, and when I plugged it in I wasn't getting any sort of connectivity. They've got quite a big volume control and mic on and off. There's on, and it's quite a long wire, looks to be about 2 meters. They've got an extendable top, and the microphone moves around like this, which I quite like. So to sum up, I would certainly buy them, but I've been sent some for free, so I'm not going to buy them, obviously. But if I did a lot of gaming, this is absolutely ideal. Thanks for watching.